Good day, everyone. I hope you have a good day today. I would just like to talk about random topics about this matrix reality. If you're a targeted individual, you can relate to this information. It's like wherever you go, there's always blocks along your way, especially if you're you're by yourself. There's a lot of noise campaign. Everywhere you go, you're bombarded with noises, a lot of noises, and noise campaign from people, from music, all this programming you, especially music. Regular people are easily programmed by music because these people are emotional people. Their moods depend on music and their productivity depends on music. That's why wherever you go, you are bombarded with a lot of noise campaigns, especially music, songs, a lot of songs. If especially if they play love song, rap music, hip hop, um, rock. I think rock is already dead, but yeah, some people I heard a couple of times here in my place, people playing Metallica, another noise campaign that would barrage you with noise. Why do they do this? Because it is to access you via ultrasound. Sound, sound, sound is used as a vibration to access the nanoparticles inside your body. Wherever, whoever you are, you got nanoparticles inside your body. Whether you're an animal, a person, whether you're a male, female, or gay, or lesbian, it doesn't matter. You got nanoparticles inside your body that you get from food, water, and air that you take every day. Yeah. So this noise campaign or sound is used by this matrix or this artificial intelligence to access the nanoparticles inside you, to electronically harass you, um, make the nanoparticles move inside your body like your veins or muscles. You can observe it that if you're a TI, you feel the zap. It's not really a zap. What's been happening is that this carbon nanotube or this black particle inside you that looks like a carbon is slashing your muscles, your tissue, your ligaments, and your veins. You can observe this. It's like something is crawling um, on your skin. That's the sensation. And sometimes you can feel the pain like a zap, but it's not really a zap. It's the carbon black particle that is slashing your muscle, ligaments, veins, or internal organs. That's why in this matrix, artificial intelligence hack people around you to make noises, to make lots of noise. You always be surrounded with noise campaign, especially music or songs. It's not really electronically harassment. It's like nanoparticles inside your body is the one slashing your internal organs, veins, muscles, or tissues. That's what's happened. Yeah, that's the experience. I think you can relate on this topic about noise campaign and how this matrix reality or this artificial intelligence uses sound frequency because sound vibrates and your The composition of your body, you are composed of 70 to 90% water, so it's easily accessible, the nanoparticles inside you. So probably that's all. Peace.